Hey guys, so I just wanted to go over with you your next term paper assignment, which is the rough draft. So if you go into your Canvas course and go to your term paper assignments and documents page, you will now see that your rough draft has a due date of April 9th at midnight. So I'm going to go over with you what your rough draft is. I mean, I'm sure you've written a ton of them, but what it is, kind of what I'm expecting, and then also what are we going to do with the rough draft in order to give feedback and turn it into a final draft. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. First, you are going to go into um, your paper that you're working on. So the one that you already have your author's note and your table of contents and your abstract, all of that on. The thing that you already have all that good stuff on. Okay, I'll open up my term paper example so you can kind of see some of it. And basically now you are going to take your outline, which you should have already had done because it was due last week. Okay. And you are going to write now. This whole first page should already be done. So now, whereas before in your introduction you had some bullet points about, okay, I'm going to talk about this, this, and this. Well, now you are going to write it and you are going to start adding in your citations. And I want you to pay special attention. Like if you look here, at this citation on the paper, you'll notice that it's not in parentheses. It's not a parenthetical citation like you're probably used to doing in English. These citations you will see often in papers for scientific research, and all it does is it relates back to, if you scroll down, you'll see that it relates back to, there we go, down to the bibliography. It would be source 2, which is this one right here. Okay, so make sure that whenever you are citing a source, and you should be, because anytime that you are stating like a data fact, okay, so look at this one right here, heredity estimate being between 50 to 80% even across demographics. Okay, that is not something that I just inherently knew. I got that information from somewhere. So that's a place that you put in your citation, and it's not just direct quotations. It's any place that you pull information that you did not get from your own brain. You need to add a citation in. Okay. So what we're going to do with the rough draft, let me erase this red mark here. Okay, what we're going to do with this rough draft is you're going to write it, and then when you are done writing it, let's say, let's go to a Google Doc that I have here. Okay, it'll be just like this. This is a slides, but Google Docs are the same. Just like the last few, you're going to click share. Okay, and then you're going to click copy link. And you are going to go to your term paper rough draft assignment. Let me put this in student view. You're going to go to the rough draft assignment and student view. You're going to click submit, and you're going to paste that link that you just got from your document to submit that. Okay. Now, there's one other thing you have to do. In the comment section, I want you to write, I shared my paper with, and then I want 3 names. And then you are going to share that paper. You're going to go back to your paper, you're going to share, and you're going to type in the emails of those 3 friends, and you're going to share it with them. Okay? And they are going to help you peer review your paper. Each one of those 3 people are going to find at least 5 things that you need to work on, and they're going to leave those in comments. Okay, and then you're going to go through and fix those for your final draft. So when you submit your rough draft, you need to tell me which 3 students. It doesn't have to be in your class. Shoot, if you want to share it with another teacher, that's fine. But 3 people to help peer review your paper. Okay, I need to know who those 3 people are so I can check in with them and make sure that those comments were left for you in time to write your final draft. Okay, and then that's it. That's all I need for your rough draft. That's due April 9th. Okay, so that's the week after we get back from spring break. So you have 2 weeks from today, or 2 weeks from tomorrow, to get this done, to do the writing and share it with 3 people and tell me who those 3 people are so that they can leave you some feedback. Okay, if you have questions, shoot me an email. Happy to help.